October 2021. I want to now put your head there. It's a month before the incident. Another member of the ASAP group named Josh died, right?
Correct.
And that was a tragic death, correct?
Yes.
And after his death, you and Rocky were part of a text messaging thread in which discussed ASAP Josh and his death, right?
Correct.
And during the group chat, there was talk about flying ASAP Josh's body back to New York. Okay. For his funeral, right?
Yeah.
And during the group chat, Rocky stepped up and said he would pay for the expense.
Your Honor, objection, relevance.
Oh, it is relevant, Your Honor.
Just relevance and, I'm making my ground when I'm interrupted. Relevance and 352.
I'm sorry, Mr. Efron, let me repeat that question. During the group chat, Rocky stepped up and said he would pay for the expense, correct?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I don't
Is
recall.
this leading up to?
It is. It is very soon.
Okay.
Preliminary hearing, under oath sworn testimony, page 26, line 7 to 8. And Your Honor, you'll recall this is one of the texts that was shown this morning.
What lines?
Line 7 through 8.
18.
7 through 18, I'm sorry.
What's the court's reading at our position? Relevance and 352 in this area, given the court's prior ruling. Is this all there is? Is this
For this question, that's all there is. In about 2 minutes, this is going to be higher, and it is relevant. I got to come up and tell you. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you, sir. Line 7 through 18 on page 26 of your sworn testimony.
Okay.
Question, what was the nature of the message that he sent on that thread? Answer by you. I think it was a bunch of people just talking about like Josh and Josh's mom, who was in the group text. Like just pretty much, we was trying to come up with money, and Rocky stepped up and said he would pay for it. Question, was there something in particular that the defendant said he would pay for? This question by the prosecutor, by the way. Answer, his body being flown back. Answer by you. Question, flown back to where? Answer by you, to New York. Okay. You gave that testimony in November of 2023 under oath at your preliminary hearing.
What was the date?
November,
No, what was the date of that,
next chat,
yeah, of that chat?
October of 2021. So, based on what you just heard and what you saw in that thread, you believe Rocky was going to pay for that, correct?
Your Honor, zero objection. I'm assuming that Mr. Tacopina
You are.
is going to get to
You're
something.
going to hear it. Yes, sir.
Wait, explain it again?
Sure. Based on that, Rocky was supposed to pay for Josh's body to be flown back, correct?
Off of that text message, off the conversation?
Yes.
Yeah, I assume.
Okay.
I would assume.
However, you thought that Rocky did not follow through on his promise to pay, right?
I mean, I think I seen this was a long time ago, but I think I seen Josh's mom re-hit the text and ask, did anybody speak to Rocky or something like that in that sense?
That doesn't answer the question. Ask the question.
Sure.
Mr. Tacopina.
Based on what you saw in the text thread, you believe Rocky did not follow through on his promise to pay, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Right. And that caused you to be upset with Rocky, right?
What do you mean by upset?
Were you upset with Rocky that he...
What's upset mean to you? I mean, if somebody's saying they gotta pay for your friend's body,
Yep.
I'm not upset, but I'm disappointed.
Okay. So,
And I didn't even know because I never got a text back saying, "Oh, bro, I paid for it," or anything. It just left me on red because I know what you're about to say. You're about to say my text message, and we could pull it up.
oh, it's coming.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Did he go wrong, by the way? In fact,
I didn't hear.
I said, he referenced the text message that's coming wrong.
Your Honor, we have under relevant 352, given the court's prior rulings, I'm not understanding.
it was shown.
But I still don't understand how is that relevant to the case.
This, I believe, relates to possible bias.
State of mind.
That's an objection. The objection's over. Understood. Go ahead.
You were honest. Okay. In any event, you found out that Rocky later paid for the entire funeral, correct?
I never found out.
You never found out? Page 94 of the preliminary hearing transcript, lines 21 through 26. I'm going to read your
Oh, I
sworn
don't
testimony.
recall.
I'm going to read your sworn testimony. 21 to 26 on page 94. Question. Do you now know that Rocky paid for the entire funeral? Answered by you, yeah. That was under oath. Your
I
sworn
found out
testimony.
that day, right?
Sir?
Then,
Sir.
what? Are you
That was
telling me?
under oath.
You read it fast. I don't understand what you're saying.
Stop. That question was asked at the preliminary hearing. That answer was given at the
Yes, sir.
preliminary hearing.
Under oath. Okay. And as you testified, if you like, I can read it to you again.
Yeah, please.
You were upset about that, correct?
No, can you read it again, please?
Sure. Question 94, lines 1 to 2. You were upset, right? Answer, yeah. Okay?
If he wasn't paying for the kid's body,
What you thought,
yeah, I would be upset.
right? But you later found out that he did pay for the body, correct?
How did I find out? Through preliminary hearing? Is that what you're telling me? Because how did I find out?
I just read it to you. I'll read it to you again.
No, how did I find out?
Sir, I'm not you. I don't know
You
how
just,
found out.
you obviously know.
I know what you said on
You
the
said-
phone.
Mr. Tacopina,
You're right. I mean,
It's confusing me. You're supposed to
all right, you got it?
you gotta be clear.
Stop! You've elicited what he said at the preliminary hearing.
Here we go.
Go on to something else.
I'm going to read him his answer. Question. Lines 21 through 76 on page 94. Do you now know that Rocky paid for the entire funeral? Answer, yeah, I heard that later. Okay, that's your under oath testimony. Now, because of you thinking he didn't in November and October of 2021, that he didn't pay for the body to be flown back in Josh's funeral, you were upset with Rocky, right?
Said about what?
Okay. On November 16, 2021, here we go. You sent a text message to someone you called Hi Y, threatening, if Rocky don't do shit with this boy funeral, I'm gonna beat that N-word up. Did you send that message?
I don't recall.
Okay, we'll show you.
Okay.
This was put it up, please.
Is this another text?
Judge, yeah, you ruled on this one this morning.
L's and Lincoln.
Okay.
What am I looking at? That text? I don't recall that. I don't remember that. I wouldn't even write that.
Is that your cell phone number?
Yeah, it is, but I don't remember this. This is in 21.
Yeah, so it's in 21, October 16, 2021.
What's the rest of the conversation?
Sir, that was given to us from your cell phone from the district attorney's office. Are you saying that's not yours also?
This means nothing. Even if it was, okay. Yes.
Wait, is it yours or is it not yours?
Were those your words?
Yeah. I don't recall, but
Those were his words. Ask something else.
Let's go to November 6th, okay? By the way, the N-word there that you're referring to, the person is Rocky, correct?
I don't recall.
Well, read the line above. If Rocky don't do shit for this boy funeral, I'm gonna beat that N-word up. You're talking about Rocky, right?
And you saying I'm writing this to Taiwan?
No, I'm saying.
I wrote this to Rocky, or I wrote this to Taiwan.
No, Taiwan, that's your cell phone, sir.
Okay.